friends here, they get problem. You from the bottom of your heart offer advice. Small time will be like saying that you cause the problem. I did on my own. My friend wife show for my house. Okay, you need to talk to your friend. You need to talk to your friend. I don't like the way he's carrying you. The way when they behave, all of them are behaving. First of all, I distance myself. Because when women carry problem come, you don't know where you go. Before you know, you don't shut up on them. I say, madam, I don't know, we are not like the same people. He's my friend, I've known him from school, but we are not the same kind of people. Because I don't know where the matter they go. He said, talk to him. Anytime I open my husband's phone, anytime I look at my husband's phone, tears they come up to my eye. I said, madam, don't they look at my phone now? My phone be like onions. Maybe they look at tears they come up my eye. He said, you see, if you're all the same kind of people, look at what you're saying. That's why I don't take on to bad person. You don't reach 2 weeks. The husband show for my house. The same family problem. Okay, I beg you need to intervene. You know, say they trust you for your advice. My brother, anytime I come back work, I can't lot. Somebody they go draw money for my wallet. If I leave my wallet, somebody they go draw money. I can't accuse my wife because we share the bedroom. And I can't begin to accuse my children. And I can't complain. This thing is becoming too much. I don't say my brother, this is a family problem. But if you insist that you need solution, leave used condom wrapper inside your wallet, you will catch the person. 1 week later, him and the wife don't get major problem. They say that they tear their marriage. Not my fault. Simple advice. That is why you see, I don't like to advise people when they're married. But in case you need the advice, men, please, anytime your wife offer you chair for your house, the case is not in your favor. Listen to me. Anytime you hear money, sit down. We have to talk. You need to think what you do. Because women are like that. When they don't call you panel like that, be careful. When they call you witness for your own house, avoid the case. And they give advice to someone, but I know they pay attention. That's one guy. They call a witness for your own house. Madam Trump will come back. Hey, no! Come here. Who leave G-string for master bedroom? And I always tell people, once your house girl don't wear G-string, make it go. Once house girl don't wear G-string, make it go. Before it be problem. And who leave G-string for master bedroom? And I'll come out. And madam, he said, waiting. I said, who hang that pants? Madam, I know they wear pants. If you don't ask Oga. When they call you witness, offer you chair for your house, the case is not in your favor. My guy, they give a chair, but you sit down, we have to talk. But that time, we don't collect advice. Do you know that our house help is pregnant? He said, that's her problem. Do you know who is responsible? He said, that's your problem. But she said, you know something about it. He said, that's my problem. Can everybody mind their own business? The guy can't work out. I said, that's the guy that is listening. Because you see, when women begin asking questions, don't be the answer, then they look at your reaction. They sharp like that, they are sharper than us. Everybody here, don't they talk, say country don't red, country don't red. Whether this country red.